Today we're going to tie a true lover's knot. True lover's knot is one of the simplest decorative knots that you can make. It's basically two overhand knots joined together that become a little stronger together. It can stabilize rope, keep it running parallel, but it shouldn't be load bearing itself, like a top knot on a rope ladder, like there. It is a decorative knot. It's not really for climbing. Like I said, it shouldn't be load bearing itself. I'm just going to untie that. So we'll start with one overhand knot, and I'll do another overhand knot separate just to show you how they look when they're not joined. So really simple, two overhand knots. You just got to tie them so that the one goes through the other so that they're joined, just like this. Cinch that up, and you get a nice symmetrical true lover's knot. If you want it as the top knot of a rope ladder or something like that, then you're going to want the bight at the top to be closer, the loop to be closer to the knot, so let's do that. Cinch that up. And there you have it. A true lover's knot. Decorative, not for climbing, but useful. Thanks for watching. Let me know if there's any other knots you'd like to see, and make sure to click like and subscribe.